Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making Okay guys, so we're going to be making some curry chickpeas for doubles. So what I'm going to be doing is to make it a little easier. Instead of using the dry chana or chickpeas that you will have to soak overnight in a little bit of baking soda, I'm going to be using this canned chickpeas by Waitrose. It's already cooked, so this is going to really cut down on the cooking time. So I'm using this here chickpeas. Here I have 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. I have 2 tablespoons here of ginger garlic paste. I will leave a link in the description showing you how to do the green seasoning, how to do your ginger garlic paste. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of mango chutney to my curry chana as well. Yes, that's right. This is not obviously traditional, but I think this will add added flavor to the chana, so I'm going to be adding this as well. I'm going to be using some split peas as well. This I soaked overnight in water, and I put a little bit of baking soda in it. So this is soaked split peas. Of course, we're going to be adding some salt. I have here 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, and I have 1 tablespoon of sugar here. Now I am going to pressure cook my split peas and the chickpeas together, so I'm not going to add the salt while I'm going through the process of using the pressure cooker. What I will do is add in the other spices. Oh, there's one thing that I forgot to add here, which is the onion. So I'm also going to be adding some onion to this as well. So let's get started. Okay guys, I just added some coconut oil to my pressure cooker here. And now I'm going to fry up the onion. The cumin powder. The turmeric powder. And the ginger garlic paste. I'm going to fry this up for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding in my chickpeas and my split peas. Alright, so now I'm going to add water to this and then cover and pressure cook. So we're going to pressure cook this until the split peas is nice and soft. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our mango chutney to this. Now, like I said, this is something that I am improvising and doing. But as far as I'm concerned, it will add another layer or dimension of flavor to our curry chana. We're going to add in our sugar. We're going to add in our salt. And we're going to add in our green seasoning. So let's bring this up to a boil so that all these flavors can marry. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the back of my spoon and just crush some of these chana so that I get some of them that are crushed and some of them that are whole. But guys, basically that's it. Our curry chickpeas or curry chana for our doubles is finished. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up and don't forget to share with family and friends. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.